Wiz Khalifa Hopes and Dreams instrumental. Shouts out to the Taylor gang. A Smooth on this thing. I'm really trying to blow up, yo. So follow and like, post views. I blew up like a bomb, yeah. These niggas think I'm most wanted like Saddam, nigga. No money in my pocket, but money is on my mind. No hater can try to stop it, can try to fucking block it like a goalie. I got so many crosses on my chest, I'm looking holy moly like a donut, but I be smoking blunts till my mind gone and sipping on that lean, chasing it with that Patron. Shouts out to Wiz Khalifa. I am Taylor till I die, nigga, and I stay a chiefer. And I'm steady smoking reefer. And if you got a bad bitch, guaranteed to keep her. See, niggas talk about hopes and dreams. I'm blowing on Swisher Sweets like a train on that steam, nigga. At the top is where I remain. A Smoother, AK-47 will always be my name. Never switch it up, cause I'm staying with one. Motherfuck you, fuck your motherfucking gun. I play the father, y'all play the son. I stand and y'all all run, nigga. Spit these lyrics like Rail Run, nigga. Pray a label hear it, cause I'm tired of being broken. I am tired of putting cards on the table like a joke. Everybody trying to pull on my little rope, but nigga, I'm gonna overdose and pull you. But still I'm going, yeah, I'm flowing, yeah, my pockets never showing, but my rhymes are always growing, and your rhymes are always lowing, and I take your female because she always hoeing. I like my platinum silver, my record's golden. Shouts out to Taylor Gang, kinda messed up at the end, but still, I still be spitting. A Smooth, Taylor Gang or die. Shouts out.